Okay, so we're going to do something a little bit different. Usually I fly XK's K110, so the 110S. Sometimes I fly the OMP Hobby M2. Today I'm going to do the Goosky S1. I've actually had this helicopter out of the box. I've had it set up. I haven't run the motor. I bought it used on eBay, so I'm not really sure exactly what to expect. Certainly not something new from the factory. I was told that it was only flown once, and I was told it was never crashed, but who the heck knows. So there's all kinds of unboxing videos, so I'm not going to do any of that. So this is our guy here, and I've never used this transmitter before. And here's one of the batteries. I've pre-charged the batteries. So I'm going to put this in here and we're going to give it a fly. And let's see here. We have, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is normal. This is stable. This is the throttle hold. That's throttle hold in that position there. And this one was the dual rates. So this is the lowest, medium, highest. We're going to go to the middle. I believe the middle was 85% of the servo rates. And so we're also going to get out of the stable mode here, at least into the intermediate, not the advanced. Okay. So turning on the transmitter, it's my understanding that you hit these together. Oh, I guess I turned it on and off. I guess you only have to do it once. Okay, I'm not sure what that chirping is. Oh, okay, it's got a fail safe on it. So this is similar to the XK's X6 transmitter. Stick has to be all the way down to the bottom, and the has to be in the lowest head speed, which is this guy up here, and it probably doesn't care about the gyro settings, so we're going to keep that to the middle. So now we're going to plug this guy in here. Oh, I guess our battery is in backwards. Or upside down, as it were. And it's my understanding that this only has collective pitch mode, at least with this transmitter. I may be incorrect about that, but I'm going to go under that presumption, so we're going to put it at neutral. And let's give this a fly. Okay, Goosky S1. Oh, there we go. Okay, we got juice here. Goosky S1, and we are going out of normal mode into the first idle up. And we are centered on we're second click from stable. So this is, I believe, rudder only for the gyro. And then we have middle of the range for the dual rates, which I believe, if I'm remembering right, was 85%. So let's give this a try. It's actually a pretty smooth little guy. Oop. Before I do a whole lot of inverted, we're gonna get a little bit more comfortable with this, but actually a nice smooth flying, quiet. helicopter. Oop. My right turn circles, I have some to be desired here. Oop. Especially on something that I've never flown before. That's a little bit better, but not much. Let's do one to the left. Definitely have better coordination on that one. Okay. Get used to this transmitter. Still not there yet. And it's a much smaller transmitter than the XK's X6. So the sticks are like... Alright, let's bring it in and land. Definitely going to want to lengthen the arms of the transmitter. It's a tiny little, it's kind of like a little portable unit, more so than a full-size transmitter. Alright, Goosky S1. First flight with this helicopter, first flight with this transmitter. This is their T8. And I'll do a comparison video at some point showing the size difference between the transmitters, but it's definitely small in my hands, more so than the other one. But the sticks are very smooth, the vehicle is very smooth and good response. So that's my thoughts. Try to do some more videos as time progresses here. GoPro, stop recording.